Hey gang, how's it going? Man, I need to clean that shit right there, man. I'll tell you what. Anyway, stovetop. This is my stovetop. It fits into the stove oven. Okay, tell y'all what I'm doing here. Where's my measuring tape? Because I'll show y'all what we got here. Okay, this is, see the tape measure from end to end. This is your basic 30 inch. So you can see where it's right there, 30 inches. Okay, this one's got 4 burners, but I'm going to be getting, or I'm going to have me, and this is 21 and a half inches uh, height, I guess you'd say, top to bottom. Okay. Alright, that's 4 burners. Okay, as you can see, 2 of these burners don't work. What it is, the little pipe parts that are in here, they got rusty and they won't hold the end, the thingy, and how that one doesn't work. Why do I have them now? Because in Houston, it's very, very, very cold. But here's something I want to tell you people to save money. When you first start looking for one of these on the internet, it's going to scare the hell out of you. Because you're going to start seeing prices like $800. Don't let it scare you. The crooks get in line first because they have more clout. Here's the one to get. Get VEVO, 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 which is going to be just as good as one you might pay $1,000 for, because they are built to where they have to be in compliance, comply with safety laws, federal safety laws. And the VEVO, it has a regulator that screws on the right end, and goes to your wall, your natural gas, or you can use propane on these. Okay, and yeah, it's a very good deal. You can get these. I found the best price at Home Depot for $149. Free delivery. It's going to be here Friday of this week. It's now Tuesday. Free delivery to my house. Okay. So, alright. And it'll be easy to install. My cutout, my stove oven, it will, accommodate the new stovetop. And the new one has 5 burners, because these designs have improved over the years. That will be nice. But my concern with it, I don't want to freeze to death and die in my house. Because I'll tell you what, Houston, Texas, it'd be that never happened. But we're getting colder weather, very cold weather. We've been having some 25-degree days. It is cold. You see the water I've got saved back just in here. All these bottles, which I'm doing very good there. And then 4 empty gallon jugs full of water. Survival, survival. You know. But VEVO, VEVO, if you need a 30 inch or even a smaller, or even possibly a 38 inch, whatever you need. But I got a 30 inch, beautiful oven range, because the new one, it's silver on top, it's stainless steel, and it's got the black burners that raise up, and it's got 5 knobs. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 knobs, like right here, for your flame and stuff. It's a beautiful stovetop. And people, it's just as good as the ones they're trying to get you to spend $700 for. In Home Depot here, I tried everybody. I tried Walmart online. I tried eBay. I tried Amazon. The best deal I was able to come up with, Home Depot. Home Depot. And I don't think it comes with the regulator, but your old one, people, will have a regulator on it. You just simply use that same one in the same gas line. You know, or if your gas line broke or something after you removed it, well, you'd just buy another one. They're pretty cheap. But anyway, this is it. And if you do this yourself, remember, man, take a flame and check the connections to make sure it's not leaking. Because you don't want to blow up. you know. Hell, I was blown up in 4 divorces. So, but anyway, this is the enchilada people and my advice to you. See, I'm doing this to help people. I'm doing this to help people. When my new one arrives, you know, I will make a video of that too, but it's to help people. Is why I'm doing this. But anyway, later.